first graders. I'm going to talk to you today about how to find the main idea in a reading passage. And in order to do this, I thought I'd read to you about how ice cream is made. Because ice cream is one of my favorite things in the world, and I'm sure a lot of you love ice cream too, especially in the summertime. It's great to eat it. So the Scholastic News I picked out says on the front, making ice cream. It's sweet, it's cold, it's drippy and yummy. It's ice cream. One ice cream factory makes 1,000 gallons of it in a day. How? And it shows us how they make ice cream in an ice cream factory. Ice cream factory. We visited the Ample Hills Ice Cream Factory in New York. We learned how ice cream is made there, step by step. So it shows step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, and step 6. So I'm going to find the main idea of each step. Okay? So step 1 says add the ingredients. First, workers put milk, cream, eggs, and sugar into a big tank. They heat up the tank. Heat kills any germs in the mixture. The mixture is liquid. So the main idea would be first that they need to add the ingredients, and then I might add, if I was writing down the main idea, I might say, and mix the ingredients up. And I could even add and heat it up. So add the ingredients, mix the ingredients, and heat the ingredients. That would kind of be like the main idea of this first step. Step 2, mix it, cool it. Next, the liquid goes into the ice cream maker. The ice cream maker is freezing. It mixes the liquid a lot. Slowly, that liquid turns into solid ice cream. So the main idea here is that they need to mix it together and freeze it to make it solid. Because here it's still a liquid, and here it turns into a solid. So the main idea would be that it mixes the liquid a lot, and it turns into a solid. So those are like the most important parts there of that step. Step 3, chop the cake. Meanwhile, workers put cakes on a moving belt. Why? This ice cream will have bits of cake in it. The cakes move along the belt. Blades chop them up. So this type of ice cream that they're making has little bits of cake in it. So that sounds pretty delicious. So I would say chop the cake would be the main idea of that part, because you need to chop up the pieces of cake to mix it into the ice cream. So, and maybe I would even say here that the blades chop them up. That'd be part of the main idea too. Now, step 4, add the cake. Now workers pour the cake bits into a machine. The machine adds the cake to the ice cream. Yum! So I think probably the main idea here would be that the machine adds the cake to the ice cream. So this is where their final steps of making the ice cream. They're mixing the cake pieces in it. Then fill the cartons. Then workers hold out the ice cream cartons. The ice cream pours in from an ice cream filler. Workers also hold out big tubs. Those go to ice cream shops. So this is where they put them in the cartons. So I would say the main idea here would be that the ice cream pours in from an ice cream filler, and it goes into the big tubs. So that would be the main idea of step 5. Then the last step, scoop it out. So here's a lady working in an ice cream shop, and she's going to scoop it out for you and put it in a cone or in a dish. Scoop it out. Finally, the ice cream goes to grocery stores and ice cream shops. You can buy a cone at a shop. 2 scoops, please. So the last part would be here. You can buy a cone at a shop. That would be the main idea, is when you actually have it all finished and ready to eat. So this Scholastic news has made me hungry for some ice cream. So I might just have a scoop of ice cream right now. So I hope you have a great understanding of how to find the main idea. And remember, it's finding that most important part of each step or of the reading passage that you read. It's finding the most important part that explains what it's all about. So I will talk to you later. Bye, first graders.